So it's gonna run now. Yeah. So we got our indicators working. Our park lights, bikes running. As you can see, the damn muffler all done. So we bolted another muffler, cut the flange part area, and welded onto that one near the end. Then my daughter went and looked for a muffler at the back. We got that from the tip, from the rubbish, put it on. So that's what we're doing. Restoring, not to its perfect, but enough where you can use it, go to work, shop, whatever. Oh, my sweet sensation. Whoa, friend in motion. You, my love and devotion. And this is the owner. Looks good. We've got a spark plug over here. See this? It's just to block the hole. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Slap that buttocks. This is my old chopper. It's my daughter's now. Yeah, she rides that now and then here in Natak. Yeah. Fuck the warrant, fuck the rage. Hey.